3 years ago, many banana farmers on St. Lucia lost everything. Hurricane Thomas destroyed their fields. Juliana and Albert Satini had to take out a $10,000 bank loan. Today they can harvest bananas again. Their plants yield fruit all year round, but the couple aren't earning enough from their farm. They're barely scraping by.
When I pay but I send what I have to send for the credit union, I have to pay my bills. And the little you remain, you have to try to survive with it. So it's hard.
To prevent that from happening again after the next storm, the United Nations University has come up with a hurricane insurance scheme. Project manager Subaya Becker is working with local insurer EC Global, which will sell the policy. The idea behind it is simple. A policy costs 80 East Caribbean dollars per year. When a hurricane hits, the insurer will pay policyholders 1,000 East Caribbean dollars, regardless of whether the storm has done any damage. An independent weather station measures rain and wind speed. It's an unusual idea, and at first it was hard for Becker to win over an insurer.
You know, anytime you went to an insurer and said, well, you know, there doesn't have to be real proof of damage, but if wind and rain speeds exceed certain threshold limits, there will be an automatic payout. Obviously, this was a completely new concept, and it was difficult for, first of all, the insurers to come to grip with it.
If there are no hurricanes, then we benefit, but when the disaster comes, we also have to pay out a significant amount of money. So there's a potential there to make money. There's a potential there to lose money. We never know what the extent of the catastrophe will be, how bad it will be, or how severe it will be.
Proponents have to convince locals, too. Here in the village of Dennery on the Atlantic coast, they're putting on a play to explain the insurance scheme. Everyone here knows what a big hurricane means.
$80 in premium.
Residents were hit very hard by the last tropical storm. 30 minutes later, the show is over, and the party has just begun. Some people have already decided to buy the plan.
If you give me the forms right now so that I could fill right now, $80 I'm going to fill for how many years? Because I cannot get an insurance in St. Lucia at this moment to insure my business on the seafront in Dennery.
In the days after the show, more people in Dennery opt to purchase the policy. People here don't want to lose everything, as they did 3 years ago.